happened to us? What happened to me? What happened as I let it slip? I was confused by the powers that be, forgetting names and faces. Passers-by were looking at me as if they could erase it. Baby, did you forget to take your meds? Baby, did you forget to take your meds?
Welcome to Transcend Money Community. My name is Tony, and today's video we are going to analyze, as always, Bitcoin, Solana, Toncoin, and maybe another altcoin with the order book from Binance Futures. And what do we have today? For all the people that is in the stream, we are 4 people or 5 people. Thank you very much for the support, everyone in the Spanish channel. And yesterday was so funny. It was so funny because just we were live in the Spanish channel and we were discussing to enter short here, and we were seeing how big players they were trying to manipulate the price with top orders, huge ones, 700 bitcoins, 800 bitcoins in one price. So I was like, not sure, maybe better I don't do any short and I'm going to sleep and let's see tomorrow, because the idea was like yesterday that we can go even 55, 700, 56, 500, or something around here. But finally just we went to the 5728. And then what I did, I make a small short here. But thanks to the stop loss with warranty gains, I didn't lose this short. So I pick up here a short and I went down this distance. I don't know at the end if I did 2, 3, 4, 5%, because just I placed my stop loss with warranties and I was moving it. But maybe later we're gonna see it. And so there are a lot of this week, the most important, we have a lot of news from US. In 22 hours we have manufacturing data that seems is gonna be positive, and then we have job openings Wednesday, 1 day and 22 hours, and seems like more or less is gonna be a little bit low, but not so much. Some other information Thursday, but the important one I think is Friday. Friday we have no farm payrolls, unemployment rate, and the unemployment rate, this can be critical because Powell, he say the Federal Reserve is gonna do whatever it takes to keep a healthy unemployment rate, and it's not clear if it's gonna be the same like the previous one or 0.1% lower. So it depends of that, we can have a big reaction. So let's see how it's going, because for me right now the best strategy in this choppy market is, as we were mentioning yesterday, gridbots, or just follow the order book in real time. And in fact now we are 6. I'm gonna place an order now. I'm gonna go to my favorite exchange. It's gonna be a small one, and I'm gonna go, so Bitcoin USDT. Just this, what happened? Why it's not loading? A small one that basically I'm gonna go for this one, 58, because I see that there is some liquidity here, and I expect that we can have a change of direction. And then I'm gonna go minus 0.11%, so it's gonna be 58.73532. So I'm gonna paste here, bam, and I cannot put the 2, but it's okay. So I'm gonna do $500 and short. Okay, I'm gonna do this small one, and I have other longs in Tong, but didn't catch anyone. The first one was like $5, something like this, and we were very close. We're gonna check it very soon. Let me see who we have here. 7 people. The English channel is slowly growing. Thank you very much for all your support, all the likes, and all the new subscribers. Very soon we are 100 subscribers. Okay, so we have a small short here. As you know, I always share my trading view. I give you my link. Is in the, you have that in the chat, and so I went 58.735. Okay, let's see. Also, I would like that we make here like an alarm if we have some positions, because you know we wanna do simulations. Hopefully, next week we start with a new version of the website. So let's go. I'm gonna move first my supports and resistance, and let's see what do we have. By the way, all the information you see here in the right, this is from the Trends and Money community website. And let's go for what we have. This was quite spectacular because around this area we had the top 3 with 47s. So I think we are very close to something very big. Oh, we have here a big order, 1,000 Bitcoins right now at 0.09. Let's see if they take it out. They're trying to push the price high now from this point and here down, but this is very big one. This is probably Binance that is trying to push the price up, because basically they look, and they are almost in the same second. Huh? So this is they're gonna buy if the price go down. Did you see what happened? This is spectacular. Here we can catch up any movement in the market. Instant, we get the emotion of the market. So, but as you know, you have to. I think it's good to specialize in altcoins. You need to see the order book for some time to understand how the players in that specific market, for example, this one is Bitcoin USDT, they usually play, or which are the habits of the humans and robots that they are trading in that token. Okay, so right now we have the 58,800. I placed there a small trade, so it's around here. Here we have the resistance, and it's 319, so I'm going there. And then we have a little bit higher at 0.5% from this one, 890. So basically these ones are confirming that they want to stop the price here. We'll see what happens when we get closer. But wait, we want to go to the version of the website 3, and with this we'll see more detail. 58, and then here we're gonna go, here we're gonna go for the 57, and then here 59. Okay, good. So maybe even we can go here 58. Also, I want to make the calculation for the percentage, not just for prices. Okay, so let's see, 59. What is the big still moving, updating, so we have to wait a little bit. Okay, great. So we have this, hopefully it's gonna keep updating. I'm gonna go this one because I like to see also the tape. And then we have the 68,000 or the 59,650. But here the thing is, like, look the difference. The liquidity is different, and also the age, and also the hits. The hits basically is how many limit orders since we open the website. More than how many limit orders? Yes. It's not like really how many limit orders, but it's very close to it because it's updated every 100 milliseconds. So we could say that it's every new limit order. So in this case, then I think I'm gonna go for the 68,000. That will be 16%. So this means that it's not very hot order, but I'm gonna consider that there is some event or something that people know. Some investors believe that there is a small chance that we can have a spike to the 68, and they place $16 million at that specific price. So now, this will be for the people that want to sell Bitcoin, or the investors that are pushing the price down, right? And now we're gonna see the investors that they are pushing the price up. That, as you can see right now in the order book, not in the order book, this is where the institutions are placing a lot of money, in which prices. And here we have how close to the price, 1%, 0.5, 0.1. So as you can see, the 58,800 and 58,890, 59, 59,060, they are closer than 1%. That basically is this thing we see here, right? That they are pressuring the price to go down, or at least to don't go up. But obviously, if you don't let the price go up, at some point it's gonna drop, right? So let's go for the supports now. I'm gonna move this one, but yeah. So I'm gonna keep the 47 with 881 Bitcoins, and then I'm gonna go for the 50 or 14. This is Chinese for sure because they have a lot of 8s. 49,888 with 515 Bitcoins, $26 million at 14% drop, right? So this is gonna be in the. This is a little bit cold because it's just one order since we opened the website. So I don't like a lot, but I'm gonna place 50k. But this is with a pinch of salt, or basically what I'm trying to say is like it depends what happened in the next minutes. I will consider this limit order as important or not, okay? And then we have the 55, again, 5,500. 55,100, that will be here, right? Okay, here we go. And this is like 400 Bitcoins for updates. So as you can see, the order book now is very hot, so we have to pay a lot of attention, and is like super open. So basically what I'm trying to say with that is like the investors are not very sure of where the price is gonna go, and it's quite symmetrical, the risk, right? So there is like 16% up probabilities, and it's a little bit lower, 20% down, let's say. So it's a little bit more bearish than bullish, right? And especially because the top 3 orders, 2 of them, they are extremely close to the price, right? So now even if a lot of aggressive buyers they coming, they have to take out all these 319 Bitcoins, this one here, okay? So this is the version 3 of the website, and here is so interesting, and I think we're gonna make so much money. Just, it's a lot of work in the website, but soon we're gonna start with the simulation and automate trading, and maybe, I'm surprised even myself, maybe we are going to start to try with some AI, artificial intelligence tools at the end of the month or in October in the website. And when I'm saying that is automate trading with AI, and just to define the strategies. You will see step by step. First, we're going for the tokens, the NFTs, and to prepare the website for all the community, and then we start to expand. Because as I told you, I want to remember who were the people that start with the website at the beginning, before the 5,000 subscribers in the Spanish website and before the 100 subscribers in the English website, YouTube. Okay, so there we go. And here we can see this 320 at the 58,800. So we are pretty close. And here you can see how there are a lot of orders in this top 50 that they are in and out following the price. As we can see, there are pressuring the price much more from the bottom. All these lines is the top 50 orders, so basically institutional investors, right, in Binance futures. So for that reason, I place here a short, just because here I see that there are $90 million plus the 59. You can see a little bit higher that there is the 58,890 with 171 bitcoins at 0.4% of the price. So right now, as is the order book, I'm going to place here a short. But instantly, when we get close to the order book, or to this line, the liquidity wall or the liquidity ceiling, as ever you want to call it, it depends how the order book react. Also, I'm gonna react in my position. Look, here we have a big buy. You see, the green ones are the buyers. They are the I will tell you, the aggressive buyers, and the red ones are the aggressive sellers of Bitcoin. And as longer is the vertical line, that means more quantity. Here in the bottom we have the axis of the price. If you move the mouse, that is the vertical one, but still we need to implement that. Here you can check also the quantity, but basically this is the tape. Okay, so this is the situation, and I was hoping that we're gonna have the price touching this point. Look here, in an instant they change the liquidity of the 58,800. Let's see what happened. Welcome, Ambrose. Thank you very much to joining in the group and to write in the chat. So seems it's not gonna happen yet, but as you can see, there is not so much friction for the price to go higher. And this is one thing I want to try also. Maybe we'll do higher resolution heat map, but this is gonna be just for the premium because it's using a lot of computer resources to be more precise about what's going on exactly. But right now we can see that there is not so much liquidity to touch the 58,800, but we don't have a big buyers. In fact, what we have is big sellers, you see. But this is so interesting. Look here, just one big buy and then immediately they make a big sell. And here we can catch absolutely everything that happened in the order book. So let's see if we touch the 58. I'm very curious now. If not, we want to pass to Solana meanwhile. Obviously, most of my trades I'm doing in Solana because the range of the price movement is higher. But Bitcoin for sure, if is less percentage, but you are more secure because there are less big players that can make a big move in the price, right? Not like in Solana. And here, we can see how some limit orders, they disappear, they cancel, and they move a little bit lower. And now that the price, because the price was going lower, and then here is start to go up. And here we can see the high frequency bot traders, that they are very close to the price. In fact, it seems like they are a specific distance in percentage of the price on the top. And in the bottom, the same, right? They are very close to the bottom. To the bottom, I mean to the price, right? So these are the high frequency traders. That from my experience, what I'm start to see, and maybe it's not so stupid, especially if we can keep with Mexc, that the fees, they are super low. They changed the fees today, but still they are in Maker 0% in spot and futures, and in Taker is just 0.01 or 0.02. It depends if you are spot or futures, and if you have, it depends how much volume you trade. But it's still very low, like 4, 5, 6, 7 times cheaper than in other exchanges. For that reason, we want to implement the bots of the trading transient money community first in Mexc. Okay. If you want to open an account, you know that you have down below the link. In the description of the video, you have the website, the Twitter, and also if you want Bingx, here you have. Okay, so seems like we don't have movement right now, so I'm gonna go for Solana. And if I see in Solana that we have some good trade, I'm gonna cancel the, no, maybe even I'm gonna keep the Bitcoin, but yeah, maybe I enter in Solana. But let me check Ton, because Ton, I think almost I have very close. I had 50.81. We touch here is the minimum, and I think I had like very close. So that's for that reason always I place here 0.11% from the liquidity price, right? Because sometimes it's like cannot get close to the liquidity, right? So let me check, because I think we were discussing this yesterday in the Spanish channel, and I think I was like 5005. So I had a long there, but I couldn't execute. But that was like an instant touch of up to 2%, 10x, 20%, right? That was nice. And today we have a little, maybe I'm gonna change my trades also, because I have 4.91, 4.12 in the top 3. So maybe I'm gonna, in fact, yes, I'm gonna move my trades. I'm gonna move my trades now that I'm here. So I have, let me see, Toncoin. This one I'm gonna cancel. I'm gonna cancel this one, and then I'm gonna keep these two, and then I have 5005, that this is this 5, and then but you know what, I'm gonna move a little bit higher my margin, because Ton I don't have a lot of experience. So here we have 5070. Let me check. Why sometimes TradingView is doing weird things. I will need to see. What I'm trying to see now is like from the bottom that we had, not the bottom, from the $5 that we had yesterday in the order book. This is what I was searching for. So 5078, how far is from the 5? Because that is gonna be my new margin to place limit orders close to the liquidity walls, right? So we had 5081. So let's calculate that. Here we have some calculations we can do. So if I'm doing 5.081 and we had 5%, so that's 5%, no, $5. That's 1%. No, wait, 5, and then I exit 0.81. Yeah, it's 1.6. Wow. So I'm gonna do in Toncoin, I'm gonna place my limit orders at 1.1% from the price. So that's gonna be from 5 is this price exactly, right? So 1.1 will be 5.055. Okay, so this is gonna be my entry point. And then I have this one, so this I'm gonna change it. So it's gonna be 1% higher. Okay, $500. And then I'm gonna go for the 4.11, 4.12, 4.12, and 1.1 will be like 4.16, 16.5, sorry. Okay, so this is gonna be here. Wait, be careful. This is Bitcoin. This is Solana. No, this is Toncoin. Here we go. 4.165. That is gonna be this 4.12, right? And then it's good to me for the enter at 4.91. That will be 2% difference with this 5. 2% is 20% 10x. Okay, I'm gonna place a small one. Let me see. So I'm gonna go to Ton. As you know, this is Mexc. You have the link down below if you want to open an account. And so I want to go to Ton, and I want to place another order at 2%, right? So let me check. Why is so slow, this one? Okay, so basically just I want to buy Ton if we have a drop, and it's not so big. And what I'm gonna do also today is I'm gonna place the take profits that yesterday I didn't put at 5.4. That is 50% profits. 5.4. Okay, so in fact I can do it almost immediately. Let me see. I don't know why in Thailand the Mexc is very slow. I don't know if I move to Bali will be faster there or even slower, because you told me in Spain is working right. So what I want to do is to go for the take profit at 5.4 below 1.1%. So that's gonna be 1.1, and that's gonna be 534, 5.340, and that will be something is wrong here. What's going on? What's going on? No, this is not 200%. What I'm doing wrong? What I'm doing wrong? How that's possible? 200%? Ah, because this was the 4.1. Okay, so 4.1, yes, is. Let me see. 4.1. This is the take profit, and I'm gonna go for the 4.34. So this will be 282%, $139. Okay, and then we're gonna go for the, oh, we have a new one. Now we have support in 5.17. How we have the price of Bitcoin? Didn't touch the 50, no, not yet. And super slow. Well, I'm gonna keep waiting. So let me check. Also Solana did a good move. Okay, so what is your thoughts about the market right now? Which are your strategies? Meanwhile, we're waiting for this, that I don't know what's going on. By the way, can you load the website of Transcend Money in a good way, so fast? Also, I'm thinking that maybe we're gonna create another category. We have Pro, we have Premium, and maybe we're gonna do a new category that is gonna be something like entry level. But let's see, what do you vote for that or not? So okay, we have that. I'm gonna try to change later, and so that will be my entry points for long in Toncoin. Okay, and for Solana, oh, again we have very low prices. What the hell is going on with Solana? What the hell? Below $100? You kidding me? And also a lot of volume. What is going on? I don't know. Lastly, Solana make me super nervous. They are upgrading the fire dancer, and I don't know what the hell is going on. Why they are not protecting the price higher than $110? This is strange. This is super strange. Anyway, that makes me think I'm gonna go to Binance, and I'm gonna place the, because I have right now, let me see, I'm spot. So in Bingx I have one order now. I cancel the order once. 101.1. right now I think I will go for the 96. So the 96 will be let me put 0.11, 96 1056 Solana. So I'm gonna cancel this one. That is how much is this one? 2000. Okay, then let me see if I can move this. What is going on? So I'm gonna enter this price 96 just in case I'm very lucky and I can catch Solanas at this price. 96.10. I'm gonna go full buy Solana. That in fact maybe I could spare. No, it's okay. 96. I'm very happy to buy Solana. If just is these trades that they have a low probability, but if you catch one, will be a 27% discount. So will be nice. Okay, so there we go. And do I want to put supports and resistance for this? Is crazy today, but the 110 obviously is the top 4, is the one that is most updated 23 times. So if I have to place one, first will be the 110. That will be around this region. And this is 21,000 Solanas, not bad. And then the 96 and 90 and craziness. So that probably means war or something like that. By the way, today is the first day in that Russia, the companies in Russia, they can sell oil at with crypto, oil and gas or whatever they want, in fact. So 85, this is 96 is 50,000 Solana. So this is a lot of liquidity. And then we have, by the way, you know that normally September is bearish, right? If you check, most of the years we had a bearish year. And then October is the best month in the year. So let's see how it goes this time. And yeah, I'm placing longs, but a little bit lower in prices, right? So it's not like I'm super bearish right now, but long term, yes. Okay, so 110, 96, and I'm gonna place 85 around this region. And then, yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this. Okay, there we go. And the resistance is 36, 136. And maybe if you want, we can discuss about the new updates. 136 will be something around here. Yeah, great. 136, 20,000. So we have a pressure from the price here, and then 146. So very close to the price. 46. This will be at 9% of the price. And then the 149.9 around here. There we go. And all of them more than 20,000 Solanas. In fact, this one is 33,000. So it's $5 million. So there we go. Here are my positions, and Solana looks more bearish than bullish. Okay, and what do we have for the price of Bitcoin? Nothing, still in the same place. Let me check if we can move this. We have to do something like we can refresh without refresh the page. That's a new thing we have to do also. So 58. And then 59. There we go. Still we have the, well, now it's a little bit lower, 58,720. And we have a big one here that was flashing. So let's go to 50. they put here a big liquidity, and then the price just react and going down. And the 58,800 is less liquidity now, 95 bitcoins, and 435 at 58,720. So in this case, yeah, I was trying to put the take profit and stop loss in every place, but let's see, what do we have? So in Toncoin, I missed the 53.40, 53.40. That will be 56% earnings. There we go. And then for the Bitcoin, in case we touch 890, look how it start to get hot. They place here a big order, sell order. You see, this is brown. Brown is almost 500 Bitcoin, but immediately they took out. I don't know if you can see it in your screens. Okay, so for the, in case we touch here and then the price is going down, let me check one thing. Why this 58,720 is this one, but the color is quite weird. This should be like brown, but maybe there is an order very close also. I don't know. So the thing is, like, what I was trying to do is scalping, meaning I don't think it's gonna go down very hard, so I should exit as soon as possible if I place this during the night. And but because we have the risk that the price can go higher, 68.59, 650. So if I enter, let's say 58,800, that in fact I'm 58,735.3, then I should exit. Let me see, what do we have here? Close to 58, which is the price we have right now, 58. That also we need an improvement here, that we can search prices inside this table, right? 58, 103, 500 maybe, because this is now, yeah, support. So 500, how much will be? So if I enter, here we don't have the calculations, but let's try. If I'm going to take profits at 58,500, that will be 4%, so 0.4, and then I have so you know what, I'm not gonna place this one because I'm going to sleep, and I would like to do scalping, so I would like to follow the market. So I'm gonna keep the Ton and the Solana in case we have a big drop. That's gonna be my position, but probably we'll have a correction. Let me see how we draw the support and resistance. Who is here in the chat? Ambrose, nearby short 58,720 to 58,100. So that will be, if we go in 58,720, like Ambrose say, to 58,100, that's 1.05, 10%. Yeah, that could be a good one. But because I'm going to sleep, I don't like to keep trades open while I'm sleeping, because still I don't have my trading bot yet that can react depending the sentiment of the market instantly. So I'm gonna close that, and if I enter is if we have a big drop, right? So yeah, that's gonna be my strategy, I think. And I'm very excited. I'm super excited with the new website to make simulations, plus also trading, that we can see here how is entering and exiting the market. Because look what we were discussing the other day. about the shopping market, this one that you buy sell buy sell. So I really would like to see like my trading bot like with millions, like making trades non-stop. So let's see, because I'm gonna be the first, obviously. I will connect my account to Mexc and I will start to test some automatic strategies. First I will do manually and then I will do automatically. And of course I will share with the users of the Transcend Money community website. And I don't know still how we'll do. That will be the second phase. So we have to finish with the tokens and the NFTs. By the way, if you don't have the volume, refresh the website. Probably in the new is gonna be automatic, but still we have to make a lot of improvement. So then, yeah, we'll see how we do it. Let's see, step by step. So anyway, thank you very much to all the hardcore Transcend Money community that is in the Spanish channel, also the English channel. So thank you, Ambrose, and the people that is here, but they didn't write anything in the chat. So thank you very much for all the likes and subscriptions. I remind you that the links, you have the Transcend Money website here. Be patient if it's slowly charging. Then you have the Twitter, and if you want to open an account in Mexc with the Transcend Money community link, up to $10,000 in rewards, very low fees. And Bingx, you have a lot of tools, like you can trade commodity, forex, etc. So thank you very much, and probably I'm gonna see you tomorrow in the Spanish channel. Thank you very much to everyone. Have a good luck with your positions, health, wealth and love, and see you very soon.